Welcome back to House of Miracles Learning Adventures channel. Today we will learn plurals, how to say an object is more than one. Are you ready? Let's begin. When a noun ends with a consonant, we add s to the end of the noun. A bed, beds, a printer, printers, a pencil, pencils, a crayon, crayons, a carpet, carpets. When a noun ends with ch, shish, tch, s, z, x, we add s to the end of the noun. A watch, watches, a peach, peaches, a kiss, kisses, a fox, foxes, a box, boxes. When a noun ends with y letter after a consonant, we remove it and add I, E, S to the end of the noun. A country, countries, a butterfly, butterflies, a lady, ladies, a baby, babies. When a noun ends with y letter after a vowel, we add s to the end of the noun. A toy, toys, a play, plays, a joy, joys, a boy, boys. When a noun ends with f or fe, we remove it and add v, e, s to the end of the noun. A knife, knives, a wife, wives, a shelf, shelves, a leaf, leaves. When a noun ends with a consonant and o letter, we add e, s to the end of the noun. A potato, potatoes, a hero, heroes, a tomato, tomatoes. When a noun ends with a vowel and o letter, we add s to the end of the noun. A radio, radios, stereo, stereos, a tattoo, tattoos. Take the quiz now. Say the plural of the noun. Good luck. Did you say ostriches? Yes, that's correct. Did you say dishes? Yes, that's correct. Did you say cooks? Yes, that's correct. Did you say elves? Yes, that's correct. Did you say buses? Yes, that's correct. Did you say lives? Yes, that's correct. Did you say stories? Yes, that's correct. Did you say donkeys? Yes, that's correct. Did you say quizzes? Yes, that's correct. Did you say stereos? Yes, that's correct. Hey, you've learned the plurals rules today. Well done. For more educational videos, subscribe to our channel and keep learning.